up guys, Semi aka Junior here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go and click on that like button, hit that subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on this channel, because we do a lot of great stuff when it comes to product reviews, live streaming, gaming, all that stuff we do here on this channel, so you don't want to miss out anything we do. All right guys, so if you see, we're here in my room. So what does that mean? We're doing another product review. I'm not in front of my computer. I'm not showing you something in my back here, so no computer screen or anything. When I'm in this point here, it's because I'm doing a product review, and inside this box I got a new product to review. The people Gamrombo, I hope I said it right, send me this package right here. It's in a brown pack. It looks open because my information was here, like my address and everything was here, so I had to pull that off. And when I pulled that off, it ripped off the tape that was attached here. As you can see, there was tape here and it ripped it all off. So I haven't opened it, but this is their remote, gaming remote. It looks like a PS5, at least from the pictures they sent me and what they told me about. So this is might be my first time even opening and actually seeing what's inside here, because I had not seen anything. The only thing I know that it is from them is because right here on the shipping label, or the QR code label, they have the name of the company right here and what it is. So I already knew because of the name of the company. On here it says Gamrombo home theater style lighting audio jack macro. That has nothing to do with, this is a remote control guys. So you can hook up to any of your systems, whether it be a PlayStation, Xbox, computer, tablet, anything, so you can play it with a remote control. I believe this is a USB dongle controller, Bluetooth, and USB connection if you want to use that as well. Got 3 types of connection on here to connect it with. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. So this is what I'm assuming it is. It is the controller, because that company is the only thing they sent me was the remote control. And from the description they gave me, it is a PS5 style remote control. So right now, I am using an actual PS5 on my PC to play my video games. When I want to play my Call of Duty, any games, I use my remote, and I use the PS5 remote. Before I was using the Xbox, but then my Xbox started drifting now. My remotes on my Xbox started drifting, I guess because I use them so much. So I want to try to save my PS5 as much as possible. So when they told me that they want to send me one of these so I can review it, I was like, sure, go ahead, because I do want to review it and actually try it out for myself and keep it for myself. So on this video, all I'm gonna do is unbox, show you what it is, because you guys know what remotes do and everything. And I'm gonna test it out on my own time. I'm gonna test it out how it works and everything. But just want to give you a brief introduction of what this is and unboxing it right here in front of you, so you guys know what you can get. So when you get the box, you'll get in this brown box right here. Open it. Inside the brown box, you have a cable. I'm assuming this is a USB cable to charge it. It is wireless, so it's a USB-C to USB-A cable here. It looks like maybe a 3-feet cable. So you got this cable here that they gave you, which is awesome. And here looks like looks like the remote itself. Pull this out. Put it out with the phone. So in here, there's a little manual in here. Let me take that out. Instruction guide. After I take out the instruction guide, there's nothing else in here, so I can put this box down. Here is the manual that you get when you get this remote. It looks like a PS5 with the dashboard on the middle, like the touchpad, the buttons, everything looks exactly like a PS5 on this picture here. And this is the manual, how to use it, how to connect it and stuff like that. If you don't know how to do it, there's instructions here, so don't worry. I'm gonna put that to the side. Of course, they got this foam here that came with the remote. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna throw that to the side. And this is the remote itself in a bubble wrap. Oh, I just noticed something that I like on this. This might be better than the PS5 remote. I'm gonna come back to it because I'm noticing it when I'm taking it apart. So the bubble wrap, of course, and put that to the side. So here's the remote. My first impressions on the feels well built. It feels very well built. It feels comfortable. I'm gonna bring it here. Feels comfortable. All right, so it actually looks good. I'm looking at it, it looks good. And I'm gonna compare it to my PS5 remote just so you can see the difference, but It feels good. The grips on here, it's like a rough patch here, so it has grip on there, so you don't have to, nothing like the PS5 remote. I'm gonna bring it out because I do have it right here. See if you feel this is very slick. It just slides, it's very thick. But with this remote, it has like a little grip to it. I don't know, you could be able to tell in the camera. But this pad right here is Gold Grip, so it's gripped all around, so you don't, even if your hands get sweaty, it doesn't slip out your hand at any time, which I like. It's very well built. I like the feel of it. Now, the thing that I was impressed with this remote right away when I was opening it, guys, is something that the PS5 doesn't have. You know, this is a basic PS7 remote, you know, right? It has the 4 buttons on top, it has the joysticks, the button on the side, the thumb pad here, the PS button on the middle, the mute button, and this trackpad right on top. Gives you all this option here, right? Great. But you notice in the back, it's plain. There's nothing back here. But look at this PS5 model from Gamrombo control, PS5 controller. It looks like a PS5. So let's compare it to in the front right here, guys. You could tell, looks almost identical besides the color and the shape of it. This one looks like a little bit bigger, but I could be wrong, but pretty much the layout is the same. But as you notice, like, this doesn't have nothing in the back. Look at what this has in the back. It has pads in the back. People go crazy with these pads. Sometimes these pads are useful for a lot of things, and you program it to whatever you want. Basically, those are pads that if you want to do something, you want to control this with something else instead of one of these buttons. Like, let's say I want to throw a grenade. Instead of throwing a grenade with this one over here, I'll just hit this back thumb right there and hit the grenade. Boom. You just gotta program it, but yeah, it's a little rough to do with this button right here. That's the only downside I see. Unlike paddles in the back of the remotes, like most professional gaming remotes come with, the paddles actually come out and they come to the side here, so you could use it like this. This one you actually gotta press the button down here. Now there's a middle button right here. Okay, that's to set it up. It says set right there. And one thing I like about it too, guys, I just turned it on by mistake. Somehow I turned it on. RGB. The RGB lights up perfectly. Unlike the PlayStation, just one color. If you like RGB, because a lot of gamers like RGB, you got that there. I'm gonna turn it back on again. How did I turn this on? I don't even know how oh, there you go. It was the middle button. Boom, there you guys go. Boom, different colors. So this remote, in my personal opinion, it's a very well-built remote. It feels just as tough as the real PS5 build, except for like the rough patches on here, so the grips. So you got that there. But this feels really good. I'm impressed with it. But now I'm gonna test it on my own time and play my Call of Duty, see how it reacts and everything. But here you guys go. This is what the remote looks like. It has pads in the back, so for extra buttons, so you want to do extra things, you can put it right there. Whatever you want to use it for, there you guys go. And hope you enjoyed this video on this review on unboxing this controller. I will leave a link down below so you guys can buy this if you guys want to get it. And it's cheaper than the PS5 remote. I know that. These PS5 remotes cost anywhere from $60 to $90. And it's cheaper. This is cheaper. You look at it when you take a look. And it comes with the extra pads in the back. Now, the only downside, like I mentioned, the only downside is only the pads actually came out to the side over here. They can do it like this with the side with your fingers instead of pushing down there. But other than that, so hopefully you enjoyed this video I did on this unboxing of this remote, guys. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done this at the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out of here, guys. Peace.